Hey guys, welcome to Techtimony. Today we're going to be doing another one of our 3-item classic unboxings. We haven't done one of these in a while, since probably the GoPro actually, because the VivoFit Junior 2 had only 2 items. Anyway, moving on. We have 3 items, one of which is called a Sony, an ICD PX470. It's basically a sound recorder. That lets you have something called this, a Laviar mic. I'm pretty sure, clip-on mic, same thing. And this will connect to that, and then you can clip a mic inside your shirt, and then you have better mic quality. I'm sorry about the mic right now. I don't have my good mic on, but you know, we're working on it. So this is an SD card. It handles all the data. This actually does have built-in memory though, so you can use the memory in here or in here. Anyway, let's get into the first item, the SD card. Tape. Don't fall. Anyway, so this was just a classic type of, SD card. And I mean, there's nothing so special about it. It's actually a pretty small card. It's not great. And it's a generally good product. It's fine. Anyway, so how this is working is it's gonna basically be this mic with this SD card inside of it, and then this clip-on is gonna be connected to this, kind of like that. Anyway, so just cut it along the line that it has, and open it up. They really don't want you to recycle these things. That's basically the SD card. There's nothing very special about it. It's a cheap $7 SD card from SanDisk. Not even the best one you can get. So, anyway, we're gonna put this to the side and put this on the floor because, now we're on to our next item. It's called a Laviar mic. This is $20. That SD card was actually $6 or $7. Anyway, so we're moving on to our Laviar mic, the $20 mic. And basically, we're going to just, open it up, see how it is. If you want a good description of it, a good review of it, check out a video in the description below. But anyway, I'll be giving my own mic test compared to this camera's built-in microphone later. So let's open up the box. Oh, so this is not a Laviar mic. This is a condenser microphone. Sorry for anyone who got mad at me for that. Anyway, you're gonna take the mic out. It is a pretty nice microphone. It's omnidirectional, so it comes out of everywhere in this camera, in this microphone, sorry. Yeet. Anyway, just clip it on. And you say, hey guys, welcome to Techtimony. Anyway, that's the condenser microphone. And here's our last item. This was $48 on Amazon as of right now. And it's basically a sound recorder. It does have a built-in microphone. So you could be you could put it inside of one of those microphones that the news station has. You could be like, hello, because the microphone's located here and here. There's 2 microphones, stereo setup. It actually only takes AAA batteries, which is gonna be a problem. But anyway, it has 159 hours on this 4GB chip inside. We're gonna be adding 16, so we get 20 gigs on this thing. Stereo, USB, there's a USB built into it. Anyway, this one, I'm not gonna mess up the packaging. You open the box, so then you pull out this tag, I'm pretty sure, right? Oh, dang it. You pull out this tag, pull up this tag, and then you pull out this. This is an instruction guide and a limited warranty that I won't show you guys. Okay, that took a while. So this is the device itself. It is a Sony, device. So it's gonna be pretty good. Actually, fun fact, if you watch Tech Bites episode 2, you would know that a few weeks ago, we had the Sony Walkman's 40th anniversary. So anyway, back to this. You take off this tape and you can reveal the AAA batteries. Sony branded AAAs, nice. And then you pull that down and you have the device itself. Now, it is pretty thin and tiny. It actually is pretty thick though. So it's pretty thick. As I mentioned, it does have a USB that just pops out like that. It's like a USB disc. Batteries go in here. And it should have 169 hours of recording time, which is pretty good. Micro SD goes in here. I'll slowly show you how to do that. And then microphone goes in here. So I'll show you how to do all of these things. So first with the batteries, the batteries go into the side, and so look, actually you're supposed to take off the screen protector because this is fake. Oh, okay, yeah. Plus, so the bump goes towards the bottom of the device. Takes 2. And then you power it on with the button that I can't find. Power. Power on. Can you see that good? Okay. So it'll tell you to configure initial settings. Press yes. English and month 9. Press next to confirm. Beep. If you want to leave this on, I will leave it on so I can hear an audible click when this happens, but you do not need to leave the beep on. So the initial settings are configured, and now it has a very nice interface. So you can record, you can actually play back your files, and you can actually also use this as an MP3 player. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? It's like a Sony Walkman, except it's brand new. Yeah. There are settings, of course, and then back to record. I will show you how to install the SD card now. So it actually only takes in micro SD. So you're gonna take off this flap. And then you get a little slot. So the part with the words actually goes up on this, I'm pretty sure. No, it goes down. I'm sorry for the inaccurate information. So the part with the words goes down. Put it in. Boom, it says please wait. And boom. So now you can record. La 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 la. Why is it? Oh. La 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 la. There you go. 2 seconds, stop. And then I can put it back. It's gonna save it to folder 01. You can of course configure all these things. And one last thing, the microphone. So this is also a Sony device. It is $20 on Amazon, and it is very high quality. Mr. Beast, a very, very, very well-known YouTuber to a lot of people, they actually use these $20 mics. Believe it or not, these are used in like high quality productions. These are very popular. So you put it in. So it's mic in, and then done. it's all set up. Just like that, you can record. It's great. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Sorry if this was a little bit of a lengthy video. Anyway, if you like this video, you can hit that button. But if you like it, get subscribed, and maybe consider buying the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. Bye. Hey guys, this is a recording coming from the Sony condenser microphone. As you heard before, that was the other microphone built into my iPhone 6. It might not sound all the same, but this has unlimited range when your phone does not. So, it is better in multiple ways. Also, that is fan noise in the background. I can turn it off if you would like me to.